Pet owners are becoming increasingly concerned about the impacts of meat-based pet foods on farmed animals, the environment, and pet health. Interest is rapidly growing in vegan and vegetarian diets for dogs and cats, which are largely made from plant-based ingredients. Modern pet food companies work with nutritional specialists to ensure these diets are supplemented with all the nutrients dogs and cats require. The potential benefits are substantial. Research shows that switching companion animals to nutritionally sound plant-based diets could spare billions of farmed animals from being consumed within pet food each year, while also reducing greenhouse gas emissions by more than the total emissions of entire countries and freeing up vast areas of land. A growing body of research has also shown that well-designed vegan pet diets can lead to health outcomes comparable or even superior to meat-based diets. Multiple veterinary studies now support the use of these diets in both dogs and cats, provided they are nutritionally sound. And dogs and cats also seem to enjoy these diets. Large-scale studies have found no decrease in behavioral signs of enjoyment when modern vegan diets are used. Despite the growing popularity, one concern remains. Some worry that dogs, who are omnivores descended from carnivores, and cats, who remain obligate carnivores, may not be able to effectively digest plant-based proteins. To evaluate this concern, this review systematically analyzed 31 relevant scientific studies published from 2000 onwards. These studies evaluated the digestibility of vegan or vegetarian pet diets and key plant-based ingredients used in them, particularly protein sources. Of these 31 studies, 22 were specific to dogs, 2 were specific to cats, and 7 studied both species. The studies varied in their methods. Some assessed total tract digestibility, measuring nutrient absorption from ingestion to fecal excretion. Others assessed ileal digestibility, which measures absorption occurring by the end of the small intestine. This is considered a more accurate measure of protein digestibility because it avoids the confounding effects of microbial fermentation in the large intestine. Researchers measured a range of key parameters, including the digestibility of dry matter, organic matter, crude protein, fat, nitrogen-free extract, and dietary energy. Some studies used laboratory-housed animals, while others conducted in-home trials with pets, increasing real-world relevance. Despite differences in study designs, animal populations, diet ingredients, and processing methods, the results were remarkably consistent across the 31 studies. Digestibility values for vegan and vegetarian diets were normally high and were comparable to those of conventional meat-based diets. The collected evidence indicates that modern, commercially available vegan and vegetarian pet diets are digested well by dogs and cats. This is good news for pets, as well as for farmed animals and the planet.